Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best nibbler drill attachments that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dicfeos double head metal sheet nibbler with accessories. This pack includes everything one needs to make intricate cuts of virtually any up to 2 mm thick metal. A double head sheet metal nibbler, replacement head, replacement blade, circle cutting accessories, wrench, step drill bit, plastic handle are the main components of this pack. The drill head can be mounted to any cordless or corded drilling machines of 1500 to 3000 speed. The drill has to be of noise and vibration free for better performance with the nibbler attachment on. Here you can find some that may work for you. It is a step drill bit that can be used for making holes of 4 mm to 12 mm in diameter. The nibbler attachment makes curves and complex shapes on metal pieces with almost no distortions. Tough jobs like making metal stencils are relatively easy with this. With all this goodness, this attachment is priced reasonably so that DIYers can get a hold of it without spending much. Moving on, at number 4, we have the REXBETI sheet nibbler drill attachment. General people rely on shears and snips to cut metals rather than nibblers. Shears and snips work to cut the metal, but it lacks precision and smoothness. Besides, different tools need to be used on other materials and different cutting needs. Only a simple attachment like a nibbler drill attachment can solve the problem. It can cut a wide range of metal pieces, including sheet metal, pipes, powder-coated material, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, fiberglass, and many more. Besides, one tool is enough to make straight and curve cuts. The advantage of using REXBETI nibbler attachment is, the produced cuts will not need any filing to make it flawless. The edges of the cut are already smooth and clean, without any sharpness or distortion. A regular medium-sized drilling machine is all you need to use this attachment. The price is worth it compared to the cost we spend on shears and snips regularly. At number 3, we have the REXBETI metal cutter drill attachment with extra punch and die. So, the nibbler drill attachment specifications are the same as the previous REXBETI nibbler we have reviewed earlier. The difference lies in the package. This package includes all the accessories plus a nibbler cutter die, punch, and handy storage and carry case. The cutting capacity differs from different materials. For steel plates, it can be used up to 1.8 mm thickness, and for fiberglass, up to 2 mm thickness. I would like to notify you that, as the drill bits are round, making a boxy shape with sharp corners is not possible. Instead, it will make a boxy shape with rounded corners. So, to make a sharp corner on a shape, some other tools like hand nibbler may seem handy. However, all the straight and curve cuts will be burr-free for the round drill bits, and it eliminates the need to sand or file the edges. For the price, this complete package is a must-have for every DIYer and homeowners to save their hands from the fatigue of using a hand nibbler. At number 2, we have the Antrader budget-friendly metal nibbler drill attachment. For rare and occasional uses, there is no point in investing in a high-priced nibbler drill attachment. Especially when cheaper options like this Antrader metal sheet nibbler are available. Anyone who has a 3000 RPM speed drill can get this inexpensive attachment to work on thin metals of any type. The cutting capacity is the same as other pricey models but lacks long-lasting performance. Besides, this pack does not include an array of tools and accessories like the nibbler drill attachment from popular brands do, but it is a lifesaver for people on a budget. It takes longer to cut on thicker materials and longer cuts, but it is better than using manual cutting tools. For being prepared for emergency usage, even if you don't need a nibbler drill attachment right now, getting a cheap one like this won't hurt. And finally at number 1, we have the Antrader Metal Sheet Nibbler Cutter Drill Attachment for Affordable Nibbling. Don't underestimate this metal cutter nibbler attachment for its price. It comes with handy accessories like a tool rest and cutter holders. When everyone complains about how it is difficult to manage while cutting on thin metal at high speed, I found the tool rest to be a blessing. Simply lie down the drill with the nibbler facing up and move the metal piece as it needs to be cut. Voila! All the cuts are nice and sleek, without any shaky edges. But this only applies with smaller sized metal sheets only. For use on the larger sheets, the attachment won't make any trouble as long as the drill machine works fine. The advertisement claims it to be compatible with electric and pneumatic drills. But the reality is, pneumatic drills are stronger and make vibration sometimes. The vibration may hamper the accuracy of the cuts. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.